This is gonna work. I don't even know. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Timara, of course, and it's Game Banging Squad. So I decided that I was going to change my name to I Love Saturdays. Don't even ask me why. Don't ask me why. It's just, it's just what I thought of. So I was like, you know what? That sounds cool. That sounds good because I love Saturdays. Saturdays are the calming days you can stay in, you can sleep, you can do all that stuff. But that's just a disclaimer, That's what my new YouTube name is gonna be. I Love Saturdays. Remember that. I love Saturdays, but y'all gonna be my game bangers, Like, y'all my game bangers, because we game bang on Saturdays, you know what I'm saying? So, today's video is going to be obviously by the title, how to do individual lashes. Now, disclaimer, I am not a professional. I don't know how to do this 1%, but I know how to do it on myself, and I know how to do it my way. So I'm gonna do it my way. And yeah, what you're really gonna need, this glue is kind of messed up, but they have eyelash glue and stuff like that, but I prefer hair glue. You can get it from your local beauty supply store for maybe like $1. I don't know how much they cost in your area. Mine costed like $1.49, so $1.51 plus tax, stuff like that. So no more hair glue, okay? Of course, the individual lashes. See, I'm almost done. I already made a row. I already finished like 3 rows. I got 1 more row left. So I'm gonna try to see if I can make it even. That's one thing you have to do. You have to always count how many lashes you put on each eye. And of course, you're gonna need a mirror. I have a mirror. So that basically, yeah. But you're gonna need a plucker, the little eyebrow pluckers and stuff like that. I cannot find my plucker. I did my individual lashes before without a plucker, so I know how to do it with my hands. It's perfectly fine with me. You don't always need to have everything. If you know how to work with what you got, then you work with what you got, so that's what I'm doing. I'm working with what I got. And plus, I don't really find the plucker is useful. It's just like sometimes it's kind of hard to stick on there. But I'm not saying that it's not hard for my fingers to stick on there too, but I work with what I can work with, and I can't find my plucker. And I had it yesterday because I was plucking my mom's wig, and it's like, I had it last night, and I don't know where I put it. So I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna have a plucker, I'm just gonna do it with my fingers. Shoot. You gotta learn some type of way, right? And that's exactly what I did, That's exactly what I did, so. If you want to learn how to put on individual lashes without a plucker and with your fingers in the hard way, keep watching. I'm going to take this apart, of course, and oh no, why is there a lash up there? But, okay? And so, I usually put the glue, I usually put the glue on here. But I'm thinking about putting it I'm gonna put it on here. I'm just keep it on here. So what you're gonna wanna do is open this, cause if it's been used already, the glue is already glued. You ain't gonna be able to get it out. Trust me. So you're just gonna need a drop of it. Don't take a lot of it. You're just gonna need a drop. Come up right now. Well, that wasn't a drop, but you know what? It was more than enough. That's a lot. That's a lot of glue. And I don't need that much glue. Probably do, because knowing me, I be messing up sometimes. So you're just gonna close it, okay? Blah, blah, blah. Everybody knows how to close stuff. So then you're gonna take the lash, but you're gonna take it off easy. So you wanna take it off like this. Take it off easy. I'm doing it with my fingers, so remember that. Got the lash. There you go. So I'm going to take the lash by this end. I'm going to put it in here like this. Can y'all even see? Yeah, y'all can see. Make sure you dap it because you don't want a lot of glue sticking to your eyelid because that's not where it's at. So this is where the mirror comes in handy. Sometimes you need to wait for it to dry because you know when it's wet it's not really going to stick on there like that. And to make sure that you don't have any oil on your eyelashes. That's the most important thing because the only time you're going to need oil is when you need to get them off so you won't rip your eyelashes off. And I'm talking about any type of oil. Tea tree oil, coconut oil, olive oil, vanilla oil, you know, stuff like that. So I have the mirror right here, so I'm gonna try to, you know, get y'all an angle too. Okay, so my eyelashes, you know, it's freaking, you know what I'm talking about. So you're just gonna wanna stick it in between where you have eyelashes. Sometimes it's not really going to stay. So what you're really gonna want to do is, oh, I got glue in my eye. I got glue in my eye a couple times, and let me tell you, it's not the best feeling in the world. So if you need to always redo it, it's okay for you to redo it. So you're gonna do the same thing you did, dip it in there, like a little drop, get a little bit of it. Can y'all see? Whatever. And then you see it? Girl, that eyelash is not secured. And always push it up. Sometimes it's gonna do that. That's why you need an eyebrow curler sometimes so you can like fix it. So I'm gonna do one more example and I'm just going to speed the process up. And if y'all have any questions, y'all can always email me or ask them down below. So come on, focus. Focus. There we go. You can't really see, but take it out like that. I don't know if y'all can see from this side, but that's how you do them. It all looks so ugly up close, bruh. So I did that, so I'm just going to speed up the process now. So that's what you get when you're working on a low lash budget. I don't feel like going to the store and buying some more. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all the ones that I got. I got the flare long black ones, so I have the long ones. As you can see right here, it says right here, flare long black. And I use 6. So we're doing good. And I'm not about to use. I don't think that it's, I don't really care that I don't have to fill them in because, you know, I always put 6 on my eye. So it's, 6. I always put 6 on my eye. So it's not like that's nothing new. So I did this eye. I hope y'all could see, like, I can't even do that. I hope y'all can see. And I hope y'all seen how the way I was putting them on. Because looking at this mirror and then trying to get y'all to see what I'm doing in the camera, so much work. So I'm about to do this eye and then I'm gonna come back on the camera and I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. And yeah, all right, y'all, I finished and this is the final results. I haven't did these in like a month, so it's like, wow, you know. So how can I show you? Y'all see? I hope y'all can see, but it took me about, I want to say, 8 minutes to do this on this eye. So yeah, so this is the final results. I put 6 on each side. You can count it yourself. See, 3, 3. 3, 3. And you don't really need to go all out and extra with it. I have 4 left, so just in case these fall off, I can always put an extra one on and then I have to go back and buy some more. So remember that if you want to try the ones that I had got, they are Broadway eyes. Oh my god, hold on. They are Broadway and they come in this color right here. This is what it should say. It says BLA, you know, BLA 103. That's what it is. BLA 103. So, and it's Broadway eyes, that's the company. And I got Flare Long Black. This camera never focuses. Y'all can't even see. But I just told y'all, Flare Long Black. I will leave everything in the description below so y'all can, if y'all want to go purchase it from your local beauty supply store, you can. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can always email me, or you can always Snapchat me, or always DM me. Well, you can't really Snapchat me because I don't answer the Snapchats, but yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. This was how to put on individual lashes the hard way. Not really hard, but you know, everybody makes it look so easy, but it's not really easy. But practice make perfect. So if you get started now and you keep doing it, you will be better at it in no time. Trust me on that. So follow me on all my social medias at Instagram and Twitter at tijyonce, TIJYONCE. And my Snapchat is Timara, TIMMARRAAAA. That's 1 T, 1 I, 2 M's, 2 A's, 2 R's, and 4 A's. And you can always email me for anything. at CTRL Timara, Timara, Tij, Tij, at gmail.com. Everything is in the description below. I hope y'all enjoyed, and see y'all later. Love y'all, gang bangers. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. I'll with you if you don't game bang. Game bang, game bang. Not gang bang. Not gang bang. Game bang. Okay? Love y'all, my game bangers.